guys, welcome to our channel, and today's tutorial is about Bombsquad's Pro version for free. Let's get started. Now first open your Bombsquad app. When you click on the hard mode, it says you should unlock the Bombsquad Pro version. To unlock the Bombsquad Pro, we need money, but this video is made for how to unlock Bombsquad Pro for free. Now go to your settings and click on Advanced and scroll down and click on the Show Modes folder. Now exit the Bombsquad. Enter your file manager now and go to Downloads, and you will see Pro Unlocked Pi there, and the download link in the description below. Now select it and move it to the Bombsquad folder and paste it. Now refresh all and go to the Bombsquad. And now go to the settings and click on Advanced and scroll down, and there you will see plugins and click on it, and there you will see Pro Unlocked and click on it and restart the game. Now refresh your phone and enter Bombsquad. And here it is, your Bombsquad Pro is unlocked, and you can see the hard mode is unlocked, the infinite assault and infinite runaround is unlocked, and you can also customize the team's names and colors and also the team's playlists. That's it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button and share it to your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.